Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Fat Guy Fixer Upper. So on today's episode, I'm doing something a little bit special. If you remember the previous episode, if you watched the previous episode, I mentioned this tree right here, how it was eaten by termites, and I had to chop it up because it was blocking the driveway. But I also mentioned another tree in the woods that was just like this one, but the top was missing. I don't know where the top went. So I'm going to take you there and see if we can figure out this mystery. So stay tuned. All right, we're beginning our journey to the tree location. It's bright, it's sunny out, and it's actually pretty hot. I thought today was going to be a cool day, but I didn't know it was going to be 80 something today. Last week it was 69, 70s. Great, but today it's pretty warm. So I decided to, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the scenic route, make it a little bit more interesting. So it's going to take a little longer, but we're going to get there. Let me change views, and you guys watch where we're going. Bum, 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 bum. Ugh, spider webs. Badger hole or something. Wonderful. Ooh, big spider web right there. Need a stick. Not a whole tree, but this works. What the heck? What's over there? I think it's chickens. Yep, chickens. Another spider web, man. All right, I definitely need a stick. Overkill stick. Once upon a time, this was a garage, really big one, but it's going to be torn down and replaced. The concrete on the ground is still good, so I'll just build on top of this one once I get the time to tear it down and the money to build a new one. But one project at a time. Done. That's odd. Why is this up in the air like that? That's not normal. I'll have to figure it out later. Well, there we go. This right here, this shed is almost as old as me. What's left of it, it's collapsed as well. It needs to be tore down. Even though it's so bright outside, the second I walked in the woods, it's all dark. I have a camera here because there's actually a trail I made here, but it's been neglected. But a lot of deer walk in from over here, and if I change angles a bit, maybe you can see it better. You can see a path right here for all the deer when they walk through, and we can see the deer as they walk on this path. Switch hands. Just trees everywhere, trees everywhere. Approaching another spider web, taking it out. Boom. There's another spider web. Leaf just floating there. I think we're almost there. Maybe. Oh, yep, there it is. And of course, there's a giant spider web in the way. Like this out, boom. Get out of here, spider webs. And this is what happens, I guess, when you leave a trail abandoned, but in my face still. So here it is, guys. The mysterious tree. And the top, you can tell how big it is. We're going to try to find the top. So there is debris from smaller trees. Now, that looks like a branch, maybe, of it. But the top, here's another branch of it, okay? But it's still not the top. The very top of the tree is gone. And as you can see, these trees go up pretty high. And I have other big trees that go up pretty high. And if you remember in the intro, you saw how high that tree was. That's how high this tree was at one point. And somehow this happened, I think, in one night. I don't know why, and I don't know how. But if we're gonna look around, do you see a treetop? It doesn't look like a treetop to me. It looks like it just, it looks like a branch too. Let me go around from the other side. But yeah, if you see ahead of me, right there, this tree right there, see how thick it is? That's what we should be seeing, is a thicker trunk along the area. See, this is definitely a branch. There's just no top. It's like the top's gone. It's weird. I have no idea where this top went. That is freaking crazy. So guys, that's going to be it for today. This is the tree I was talking about. If you go down into the comments, post what you think. You think these branches, or the things I think were branches like this one here, are actually the top of it? Or you agree with me, like the top literally just disappeared? Because I don't see it anywhere around here. And those things just, they look like branches to me. So I don't know. The top is just missing. So remember, guys, like, subscribe, leave the comments. I'm really looking forward to hearing what you think about this one. And I'll see you guys on the next episode. Later.